If you've used ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, you already know how powerful AI chatbots can be. But what if you could access multiple AI models in one place with a clean interface, image generation, web browsing, and file analysis, all without constant logins and limitations? That's exactly what yeschat.ai offers. Yeschat is an all-in-one AI platform that brings together top models like GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, Mistral, and others all inside one sleek interface. No switching tabs, no juggling logins. You just choose the model you want and start chatting. One of the biggest strengths of yeschat is its versatility. You can use it for writing and editing content, coding help, PDF document analysis, image generation, even web browsing with AI. For supported plans, for students, marketers, developers, or just curious minds, it's a great productivity booster. You can upload a document and ask it to summarize, extract key info, or even generate a report based on it. The UI is modern, fast, and mobile-friendly. Everything runs smoothly in the browser, and you can switch between AI models mid-conversation, which is great for comparing answers or getting second opinions. There's also image generation powered by different AI engines, perfect for quick mock-ups, concepts, or social media visuals. Let's break down the pros. Access to multiple leading AI models in one spot, tools for text, code, documents, and images, clean interface and fast performance, no API key or installation needed. And the cons: free plan has usage limits and occasional slowdowns. Some features like browsing are behind a paywall, can feel overwhelming for complete beginners at first. Final thoughts? yeschat.ai is a powerful AI hub for people who want flexibility without friction. Whether you're creating, coding, researching, or experimenting, it puts multiple top-tier AIs at your fingertips. If you want an all-in-one platform instead of bouncing between tools, this one is absolutely worth checking out.